this is a lot of extra characters. Pretty sure this is a single-player game.
Welcome to the cradle. Please state your request.
I wish to live.
Denied.
Yep, that checks out.
Who's that?
I have the power of Tetris!
How about we call you Diana?
Diana?
Yeah. From now on, you can be Diana. How's that fit?
Diana.
I'm Hugh. I don't do babysitting, but I'm gonna need your help, and,
Hugh. Diana.
yeah.
Hugh.
Diana.
Hugh. Diana. Hugh. Diana. Hugh. Diana. Hugh. Diana. Hugh. Diana.
Diana?
Diana.
What do I do, Lord?
Protect the child. Save them all.
Why isn't this working?
011001100.
See this spot? You think we can get here in one piece? I guess you would know that, would you?
Nope, but I have an idea.
Really?
Yeah, we'll go, and if you don't get hurt, that means it's safe. Let's go.
Solid plan. Oh, cool. Look at all these upgrades. Gun.
Good to know.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled.
That's, how many now?
That was 4. 1 more to go.
Can't count past 3, Hugh? Aren't you an engineer?
The ocean. Water everywhere.
Yeah, IGN hates that shit. More boost! And now I'm 3D printing guns. That looks like the most uncomfortable toilet ever. This combat is sick.
Neutralize us?
Oh yeah, I fought this guy in the demo.
Here it comes.
Good job, Diana.
Hello, we are Cabin, your one-stop companion for all things shelter.
This feels very Hideo Kojima for some reason.
What are you doing? Are you trying to hurt yourself?
If I break, you can just fix me back up.
Kid, I wouldn't even know how to fix my toaster if it stopped toasting my toast.
What in the...
Looks like you guys could use an update to make you fight better and be more cool like me. You know, if it didn't take you 2.5 business days to shoot at me, I'm sure you'd actually hit me.
Where'd the wall go?
Dark Souls.
Get ready. Leave it to me.
Well, damn. The enemies are pretty slow, but the combat just feels so good to pull off. The shooting, dodging, hacking, it all flows together really well. Now activating orbital laser cannon. Diana, no.
Ta-da.
Aw, I'm literally about to tear up. That's so dang sweet of her.
Hugh, can you dribble?
Hey, this might be a good grinding spot.
Boom, bam, bada bop, boom, pow.
Take this!
Oh my god, my frame rate, no! Well, after about 30 minutes of grinding, I fully upgraded the shotgun, grenade launcher, the decode ability for extra spicy damage, my repair skill, and now I have 3 mod slots.
Missile spotted.
Oh man, I love this game. Oh! You can hack the missile and send it back at him! That's awesome! This area is extremely dangerous. Psh. Okay, buddy. Oh god, I'm almost dead! Shadow Clone Jutsu, have some of this! Rock! Kapow!
Diana, don't.
Me when I get a new graphics card. Here, kiddo. I downloaded a box of digital Cheez-Its for you. Looking for secrets? Whoa, that's a lot of guys. I'm fighting for my life out here! I really appreciate you letting me heal. You guys have some great sportsmanship. Here, have some of this! And maybe a little bit of this! Oh, meant to use my pistol. Oh, that thing looks cool! Oh my god, he's the frame rate destroyer. My 4070 is fucking trying, dude. What do I do? Oh yeah, hacking! The thing I've been doing for the past 6 hours. Oh, that's so sick. Ammo replenishes automatically, it's fully automatic, and it holds 21 shots. I'm sorry, I love you, pistol, but I think it's time we go our separate ways. Oh wow, it replaces your pistol entirely. Even the game was like, yeah, you're never going back to this potato gun. This is giving me Mario Sunshine secret level flashbacks. That's a lot of robots, is what I would say if I was a chump. Oh, got him both. Decoy. You're fighting the wrong fool, you fool. Kablam! You know, I don't even have it fully upgraded, but the decoy gun is really good. It lasts a really long time, even without any upgrades. You know, I really love the thrusters. They're a good defense mechanic, but they're also really good for traversal.
All these freaking red circles, bro, leave me alone!
Aw, hell, I can't hack him when he's invisible? Ooh, I got a laser gun. Holy moly, that thing freaking melts him! Upgrade that as soon as I can.
Careful! It's going to jump!
What's about to jump? I'm so tired of spider bots, dude! Ugh, get out of here!
The sea was so pretty. I couldn't believe my eyes. The sparkling water, the gentle breeze.
You've really taken to the sea, huh? That hologram back there was pretty good, but the real thing's gonna blow you away. That's only the beginning. I'll take you all over, kiddo.
Pretty sure this game's gonna have a sad ending, and when it does, I'm gonna cry. Let's upgrade Diana a little bit, get her ready for war. When I use this option, use last loadout, it gives me 2 decodes, and normally it won't let you equip 2 decodes manually. Is this some kind of bug that's just letting me have 6 decodes? I mean, not that I'm complaining. Help! My child's stuck in a tree!
That device is emitting some kind of jamming signal. If we touch it, I won't be able to hack.
Huh, I should avoid those, otherwise we'd be in a bit of a jam. Look at the decoy, he's like, yeah, come get some. Bet you won't, I bet you f***ing won't. Come on, come on, come on! Whoa, got him. Fight your friends! Stabam! Whoop-wah! Your service has been appreciated, friend. However, now you must die. Ooh, boss fight. Oh. Whoa! Stun mod is the way to go for this fight. I took out a chunk of his health before he could even move again. Lasers everywhere. I gotta heal. Oh no. Oh, I'm so boned. I am so boned. Diana, you are a saint. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Yeah! Dance with me, decoy.
I must stop Edis.
Hello, this is Edis.
Well, shit. Is it really giving me a tutorial on how to hack? I've been playing this game for about 8 hours now. What are you trying to say, game? Come down here where I can give you one of these! Wow! Oh man, I missed an upgrade material by the giant sandworm. I'm gonna get it.
Be careful!
Ow! Worth it.
Something's aiming at us!
Deploying air radar support.
Oh man, this guy looks cool. I got little mini drone bots now. Let's get him, guys.
You're going nowhere! Stabam! Ha!
He's been powered up by the goop. He's a goop man. Run, run, run! This place is extremely dangerous. Yeah, well, it's safer than here. Here, you can have this back. Get him, guys! Get him! Get to the cubes! Son of a gun. Haha! Trying to sneak up on me. I know all your tricks. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to be here. What?
Unregistered guests, this is your final warning. Continued presence in this area may result in physical harm and/or death. Please withdraw immediately.
I'm calling it. You'd make a lousy friend.
Damn! Oh, dude, this laser's freaking melting as hell. I'm going in. Bam! Look at that damage!
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah.
Entrance to this area is prohibited. Voluntary withdrawal is recommended.
I got your withdrawal right here. Time to stick my boot up your holographic ass!
You tell him, Hugh. Dude, he upped the gravity and she's still standing. She's on some anime level shit. He was like, alright, you don't have to shout at me.
What are you doing here?
Oh no. She's evil, isn't she? Oh boy. Dude! No! Bro! It's okay, we can fix her.
What now?
Okay, we haven't quite fixed her.
Am I all better?
Not yet. I gotta get that junk out of you and get you back on your feet. Wait here.
I'm coming with you.
You can't. Not like that. You need to rest.
You? I'm going.
Okay. Let's move. Now let's go get you that reactor.
This game's gonna make me cry. Aw, it's everything they went through.
The ocean. I want to go with you.
I'm gonna get you there, kiddo. I just need you to download this firmware update.
This is the same freaking bot from earlier.
Aw, dude, I don't have any hacking. No! I guess it's up to me and my boys. Get 'em!
Deletion protocol initiated.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah! Aw.
Nice fight, kiddo.
Feels like my heart's in a damn boxing match right now. And it's losing. Oh no! Hugh has the goop.
Wonder why 8 wants to take that stuff to the Earth.
Protect the Earth from the moon goop. Oh, that's not it. Nope, that's not it either. Hey dude, I really appreciate how patient you are. Jarvis, 3D print me a rocket launcher.
Ready? Go!
Here's my chance.
Failure.
I know I say this every time, but this guy looks cool. All these bosses look cool. Hi-ya! I love this guy's moveset. It's like I'm fighting a robot ninja. You know a game is good when it's got robot ninjas. Whoa! No! Giga Flare! Fasha!
Cause of death. Cardiac arrest from acute exposure to dead filament.
That filament, huh? Clock's ticking. Okay. Back to work, kiddo.
The big sad. It's coming. I hear you, Diana. I hate circles just as much as you do. The thrusters, bro. I love these things. Oh, can't stop her now. She downgraded back to Windows 10.
She's not something for you to use and throw away.
You tell her, Hugh. Is it final boss time? Oh, it's so final boss time. That design is sick. Gotta get rid of the coop. I have to dodge attacks in the hacking screen? This is new, and new is scary. Here comes the big damage. Avoid, dodge, live. Not avoiding or dodging, very much dying.
Let's go! We got her!
Update, we didn't get her. we really didn't get her. Oh, this is 100% a Resident Evil style showdown with two big ass laser cannons. Why are those even there? What would be the practical application of these? And it can fly too? What was this thing originally designed for? Oh, this is peak, bro. This is so peak. Dude, this is so awesome.
Here we go!
Whoa! Bro, look at the particle effects. Oh no.
You?
Time to bring it in.
Hugh, no, dude, that powers your suit.
You?
Bad news. This is where we say goodbye.
Ah, dude.
Sorry, Squirt.
No! I want to stay with you!
It's okay. You're gonna be okay.
We all knew it was coming.
find the sea.
No, wait!
Have a safe journey, kiddo.
Dude. This one's got me. It's got me cutting onions, bro. Look at all these amazing people. You should all be proud. Oh cool, she made it! Never doubt the power of a single lithium-ion battery. She's making the RE engine logo! It was Diana all along!
I'm ready.
Same, Diana. I'm ready for a sequel as well. Afterthoughts. Incredible game. The story was pretty straightforward, but that's not always a bad thing. I think it works here. The combat is spectacular. Looking at the gameplay, it looks kind of complicated, but it's really not. The game does a great job of introducing you to its mechanics. For me, it clicked right away. This game has so many cool guns for you, and it has so many fun and creative ways you can hack with Diana. I gotta say, that was the one thing that consistently surprised me, was how fun and creative the hacking got. I had a few performance issues here and there. My game crashed once, but that might just be because of my PC. I'm running this on a 4070 while also running OBS, and I have most of the settings on high, so that might have been my own fault. Also, the music. Outside of its cool sci-fi techno themes, I really enjoyed the isolated piano pieces, which they saved for really emotional moments, and it works. Pianos really know how to make you feel the feels. But yeah, it's cool to see a new IP throw its hat into an industry that struggles to break out of familiar territory, and it's a new Capcom IP no less. So I'm hoping we get more Pragmata in the future, even if Hugh won't be there. There's no telling where the story might go, but I'm excited for it. I don't really do ratings for games. I sometimes do tier lists, but I'm not gonna do that for this game. I'm just gonna say that I enjoyed the game very much, and I want more. I'm hungry for more. I'm a hungry space hippo. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.